ever looked at a building and thought, wow, this feels so different? Maybe it was a school with open courtyard or a cafe where the vibe just felt right. Behind every such space is an architect. And today, we are diving into the scope of architecture in India 2026 and beyond. Why it's one of the most exciting career you can prepare for right now. India is building faster than ever. Our economy grew 8.2% in 2023-24. That means more metros, more housing, more schools, more hospitals, more tech parks. And guess what? Every single one of them needs architect. और ये सिर्फ एक job नहीं है. It's about designing how millions of people will live, travel, work in the coming decades. By 2030, India will need 31 million affordable homes. Metros are already running in 24 plus cities, and smart city projects are reshaping urban life. सोच के देखिए, अगर आप 2026 में आर्किटेक्चर स्टार्ट करते हो, by the time you graduate, you will step into a market waiting for you with endless opportunities. And it's not just about quantity, the quality of design is evolving. Sustainability is the new default. Green buildings, energy efficient homes, climate friendly campuses. Architects today are not asked if they know sustainability. It's expected. यानी कि आज की जनरेशन ऑफ आर्किटेक्ट्स सिर्फ डिज़ाइन नहीं करते. They are solving climate, accessibility and human well-being challenges. Parents, let me talk to you for a moment. आप सोच रहे होंगे, is architecture stable? Does it really have demand? The answer is yes. With the government's national infrastructure policy, trillions are being invested. Not just in Delhi or Mumbai, but also in two-tier cities like Indore, Surat, Lucknow, Coimbatore and many. Opportunities are not limited to big metros anymore. Your child could be designing homes, malls, stations, even new industrial hubs across India. Now students, picture this. You are sketching a metro station that turns chaos into a peaceful plaza. Or designing a school that stays cool without ACs. Or maybe a housing block where every flat gets sunlight and ventilation. Sounds exciting, right? यही है architecture का magic. Solving real problems with creativity. So if you are a PCM student in class 11th or 12th, you should explore entrance exams like NATA or JEE, which will enable you to study Bachelors of Architecture. For those who are already curious, I'm sharing a blog link where you can check all important topics for these entrance exams. The blog link is in the description box. I can see that parents are thinking, is there any other career stream through this course? A quick note for you. Architecture doesn't mean just one career path. Your child could become an urban designer, sustainability consultant, BIM expert or interior designer. Even enter fields like set designing or UX for spaces. It's not narrow, it's a gateway to multiple opportunities. By 2030, India will be a completely different place. New cities, new campuses, new transit systems. And in all this, someone has to design spaces that are not just functional, but also beautiful and human-friendly. Why not you? Why not your child? To know more about the stream and exams, connect with us on 6363286363 and book a free counseling session. So architecture isn't about buildings, it's about shaping society. The homes people grew up in, the schools they learn in, the parks they relax in, the hospitals they heal in. Every detail is touched by an architect. So if you have ever felt curious about spaces, forms, or why one street feels alive and another feels dull, don't ignore that spark. Prepare for it. Because 2026 onwards, the country needs architects. And maybe the next great architect of India could be you. When it comes to choosing the right career, you don't have to walk into this journey alone. You can always get in touch with Creative Edge. We will guide you through the complete path from preparation to success. Share your views or any queries regarding the same in the comment box. We will be happy to help. If this is a guided path, success is almost certain. With Creative Edge, success is guaranteed. Until next time, bye bye.